Did you just say the one thing?
Come on, TV, give me some of that sweet, sweet pep.
I love that.
For the whole bag, yeah. $5. I think you went $5 for the brand new. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Hi, how are you? So is this all put together? These are the this 4 and these are 3.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Sorry. Morning. Pretty good. You're not in Yard Sale Alley over there. It's crazy over there.
I can see it from here.
Oh my goodness.
Down there.
You just do you got a friend over there? You just bring your stuff over there. It'll all be gone in 5 minutes.
I had a lot more this morning. They came by and cleaned up.
Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, it's like a
Light here.
yeah, okay. How much is the Simpsons game?
50 cents.
I've got kids, so I'm not even gonna ask if all the pieces are there.
They are. 'Cause they give it away.
Okay. I buy games, and when I buy them, I know they're just throwaway items because my kids lose all the pieces. It's kind of cool. It's like a monorail, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the two of them, like, honestly, if you wanted to take both of those things for $1, that was when my son was like mixing and matching his trains. And
Yeah.
He took the front off one.
Do they move?
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
They go around in a circle, almost like a snake.
Okay. I don't know. My kid kind of lost his love of trains. I don't know if it's even worth doing anymore. I bring him them and he doesn't touch them anymore. I doubt you have 2 quarters, do you?
Can't make any change. No, don't worry about it. Just take it. It's fine.
All right,
I'm not
man.
too worried about it.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Well, here, I'll tell you what. I'll give you $1 and I'll take the trains.
All right, fair enough.
That way, at least you're getting something out of it. You're getting junk gone. You too. The bear's kind of cool. Good luck.
I know those are Klein, those are good ones.
Oh, that's cool.
Squeeze the hand.
It's,
TV respect me. It laughs with me, not at me.
oh, and you got a clock too? Would you give me a deal if I get them both?
Yeah.
I think like $7 for the two? Cool. That's awesome. Let me see if I can spend 3 more so I can just see what else you got here.
Push the button and the thing slides up.
Okay.
Warning type thing.
Yeah. These little things. So smart, you put them in little baggies.
Yeah. Actually, my mom did all that.
Yeah. Did you just say the one thing?
Come on, TV, give me some of that sweet, sweet pep.
I love that. Yeah. How much on these weights?
She said she'd do like $5 on it.
For the whole thing?
Yeah.
Alright. Could I do just the 5s and be at $10?
Yeah.
So we're at 75 cents, and then another $2-3 for these. I'm too strong for those little weights. 5 though. Yeah, 5 will work me out good.
Oh, did you?
I just don't have enough hands, so I'm gonna put these down for a minute. Sorry, Homer. There you go.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, man. And good luck with the sale.
Oh yeah, it's been wide open since about 6:15.
Keep you busy.
Now getting coffee.
Ooh, light braid pegs. Typical. Typical. Found something else I want, and it's a quarter.
Oh, don't worry about that.
You sure? These light braids? Okay. Thank you, guys. These are always cool. 1989. Alright guys, I'm still sorting through this stuff I went and got yard sailing today. This video should have been about 2 yard sales, both where I got some Simpsons stuff. I got some vintage Simpsons items. So let's go through those, take a look at what I got, and see if they were good buys or not. Alright, so at that first yard sale, I spent $10. I got the Duff Time clock, which is like that light, it's pretty glary. There you go. And I put batteries in it. It does, the time portion of it works, but the light up part, the light up Moe's part does not work. I also got this Homer, who presses hand and he...
TV respect me. It laughed with me, not at me.
So that's pretty cool. It's from 2000. These are both from right around the 2000 kind of time frame. Saw this on the way out. They gave it to me for free. It's 1990 refill of light bright pegs. I And then these weights I grabbed because I was just trying to get the $10. So plan with those is I listed this for, I think, 25. There's a couple sold comps, even with the light not working, right around 25, 30. Homer, I listed for, I don't know. I have to check my eBay. I can't remember. Homer, I listed for around 25, I think, with free shipping.
Give me some of that sweet, sweet pep.
And then the light brights go for 20 with free shipping. And these I'll probably sell local so I don't have to ship them. Hopefully I can get 15 bucks out of them. So, you know, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70-ish in that. And then I went to that other yard sale and the guy just kind of gave me this. I gave him $1 for his little trains for my kids to play with, but he didn't even want anything. He was going to give it to me. This one's selling for about 12 bucks plus shipping, and shipping is usually like 9, 10 bucks. So I'll probably list it for $19.99 free shipping. And, you know, earn 15 bucks on it. So yeah, not a huge haul, but, you know, probably 60, 70, maybe even 80 bucks out of 11. So that's a good profit.